Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge. Now, Shibadoge can really make you a millionaire, just like the way Shiba Inu did. Okay. Now, this coin has maintained a market cap of millions, over $8 million market cap. Now, $8 million is a lot of money for a coin that is ranked over 3,000 crypto coins with the highest market cap. You keep asking yourself, why would people buy, holding this coin, have an investment of over $8 million? Even the market cap also has once hit over $35 million as of 2 months ago. Okay, and there's so many great crypto billionaires, whales that have showed interest on this coin, and the coin also have been attracting a lot of people because of the number of zeros they still have. So we believe deleting 1 to 3 or 4 or 5, we are rich with Shibadoge. So for me, I am happy because since the beginning of the year, this month end will make it half of the year. Okay, now within this half of the year, Shibadoge have really achieved a lot in the period of 2023, half of 2023. So we still have half to go. They've gotten more than 5 listening, and including Bitmart, including PKEX, okay, including IndoEX, including Bank. You can see the exchange I'm mentioning. They are not just small exchanges, they are top exchanges. All these just within half of the year. So the remaining half of the year, I'm expecting this coin to gain over 3 to 7 another crypto exchanges. 3 to 7 another crypto exchanges. So anything can happen, and I believe yes, that this coin can really do well if we keep showing the support they need. If we keep giving that support, and if we have top exchanges like Binance, like Crypto.com, like Kucoin, Coinbase, once they have interest on this coin, everything will definitely going to turn around for Shibadoge coin. So let's watch and see between the half of the remaining year. By the end of this month, and definitely this is half of 2023, and we'll be going towards the remaining half of the year. So by the half of 2023, the remaining half of 2023, I believe that Shibadoge can achieve a lot. Shibadoge can really shake mountains. Shibadoge can really turn around. Shibadoge is going to really put smiles. So let's watch and see. And I believe towards next year, 2024, Shibadoge might now become that new Shiba Inu we have been talking about, and they have been talking about. So don't miss on this coin. At least you need to buy few coins of Shibadoge. I'm not saying you should go and invest what you cannot afford to lose. Please just buy little of this coin, few coins, hold it. Anything can happen. Remember, this is not the financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decisions.